So today this caught my eye, the all new Toyota LandCruiser. Look at that front end, brings back nostalgia. And you know when something catches my eye, I'll take you on a walk in 4K to have a look. So come on, let's have a look at this thing. £80,000 worth. Just thought I'd add that. And if you're wondering about the colour on this, there's only two colours available in the UK market. This is sand and they do a blue. So you only have two options, this or blue. I mean, at first I was like, oh, I'm not sure about that, but it's definitely growing on me. And especially what these are used for. I mean, come on, look. Showing its better angles. Showing its better angles. So yeah, this or blue, what would you rather have? This is actually growing on me. I mean, yeah, driving down the local high street, it does look a little bit strange, but if you're out in the outback deserts, anywhere like that, it's gonna blend in, isn't it? But yeah, just two colours available in the UK, and that's one of them.
Does it open outwards like this as well? this. Okay, get out of it then. Don't worry.
So that was the arrival and quick look round of the new first edition LandCruiser, £80,000 worth. So if you found that video helpful and enjoyed it, please do give it a like. It'll help my channel immensely, and I'll see you again when I spot something like this that we've not seen before. And we have definitely not seen one of these before, have we? So let's just look at that. Definitely gone retro, haven't they? Very retro. Them lights do look good. Loving it. Indeed, but 80 grand. But you know you're going to go anywhere in the world and this is going to keep going. Cracking car. And it's got the 7 seats. What more could you ask for? No excuse, have more children. AdBlue diesel. Diesel technology, you know it's going to go forever. You know you can go in the Sahara Desert, you can go in the Arabic deserts, you can go anywhere. You can go in the Australian outback, you can go anywhere in the world. This is going to keep going, isn't it? It's just, I mean, I think it looks good from that angle. Like I said, let me know what you think. It's very retro, old school vibe, isn't it? Very retro, old school vibe. If it's not your thing, I mean, surely you'd still think that's gonna never let me down. So that's where my money's going. If you ever wanted to get lost in a desert or the outback, I mean, look at that. Incredible. Really have gone overtly different, haven't they? However, that windscreen's very flat as well, isn't it? Look. Does that? Yeah. I mean, you're not going to go for speed and noise, are you? It's going to be reliability, and this is going to get you everywhere, isn't it? I mean, you're going to bump up outside. You're going to bump up the curb outside the schools, no problem at all in this. But yeah, there you go. New LandCruiser, brought to you in 4K as usual. Go and have a look at my other videos. I like showing you things that I've spotted. I'm on a journey of looking for cars. I won't be this. I can't afford this car. This won't be me. Although I'll definitely buy one if I had the money. It's just, I'm not spending 80 grand on a car. If I lived in a desert or the outback, I probably would. But yeah, come on, let's just, last look. Appreciate, I mean, it does. I mean, at first I was a little bit skeptical, but now it's growing on me. What do you reckon? That, I like the way they've gone all blacked out as well. That's quite cool. So it's definitely got a retro vibe. They look like from behind. Very American actually, don't they? They look like the old Ranchos from, is it Ranchos? Ford Rancho? I can't remember. They look like that from behind. But anyway, there it is. What do you reckon? Yep, that's definitely cool. Definitely a Funster vehicle. Anyway, gets my approval. Hope you have a great day. Catch you again something on ice. Find something that catches my eye. And I'll show you.